Did you know that homeschooling doesn't just have to happen in the four walls of your home? One of the greatest rewards that we have found in our homeschool is being able to get out and explore, take field trips, go to museums, go visit exhibits or things in other states that are of interest to us. It can be something really big or something small, but the opportunity to be able to get up and get out and learn out in the real world can be an amazing enrichment for your homeschool. And I'm here today because I wanted to just give a brief um, introduction to you guys about a homeschool marine science biology camp that Greg Landry does. If you've been around here at all, you've heard about Greg Landry before. He does online science courses and he also has some math courses now as well. And he also does this amazing 5-day marine science biology camp for kids ages 12 to 18. And it's a chance for them to get out and explore, whether they just love to be outdoors or they're interested in marine science. It's a great opportunity to get hands-on. He does this at a location in Alabama on the Gulf of Mexico, and it is electronics free, it is God-centered, um, it is supervised by other homeschool parents as well as Greg Landry, and the kids get many opportunities to work either, in the water, exploring on a boat, in an aquarium, opportunities that, you might not get right around your home. Um, so it's a marine science biology camp, like I said, with Greg Landry, and it is a wonderful opportunity for kids to learn and explore outside of the home and to do something that, might really spark the love of a job or lifelong learning in them in the future. So if you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you head over to Greg Landry Science. I will be sure to leave you a link in the description and check it out. There will be opportunities as well for families to do it. So not just your son or daughter going, but that you would have the opportunity to go with them, a father-son excursions as well, so that you would get the opportunity to learn alongside your children and see all the amazing things that the marine science field has to offer.